What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Tonight we're going to a night meet with all the homies. Met up at the gas station, waiting for everybody to pull up. I told everybody to pull up here because we're like literally less than a minute away from the car meet. So figured let's meet at a gas station, have everybody pull up. I think there's a few cars already rolling up. So I'll pick up the camera now and show you guys all the dope cars that are coming. We got Nick, we got Daniel. All the homies are pulling up. It's gonna be a big BMW meet, so let's go. Damn, the homie Charlie pulled up on us. Super clean F82 M4 with the neon lights. Rich, you're what? You got a new steering wheel? Let's check it out. What's up, bro? How are you?
Good to
Chilling? Good to see you too. Oh, you got the V2 electronic.
Yes, sir.
Number twinning, bro. With the magnetic paddles.
Right, magnetic.
Damn. This is honestly the best steering wheel.
It's
the way it lights up, right? It's so
amazing.
sick.
It's amazing.
Yeah, that shit is dope. Congrats. You just got it? When?
Yeah, 2 days ago.
Nice.
Daniel hooked it up. Daniel,
Shout out to the homie Daniel. And we got another G82 with us. Ooh, with the yellow DRLs. That's clean. And he's got the orange interior. Super clean. Gotta love the G82s. They're so freaking fast.
Yeah.
Oh, got the orange decals over here. Sheesh, to match the interior. We got more BMWs pulling up. F80s. F82s. Damn. What's up, G? Got your whip back? Nice. Look at that. Damn. That's pretty cool, actually. I like this idea.
A little festive. It's my cheap Stars in the Ring.
I'm thinking about doing the lights, but on the cage. I think on the cage it'll look pretty sick, huh?
That'd be tough.
That's just dope, though. It stands out a lot, too. You can see it from the front. That's just pretty sick. What's up, bro? How are you?
Good, how you doing?
Good. How's everything? Good to see you, too. Homie Alex. The homie John.
Is that Jonathan?
Yeah.
You got new wheels?
You got new wheels. Got the Beamer boys are out.
What's up, bro?
Haven't seen these fools in forever, guys. It's been such a long time since I've seen them. Super clean E92 M3 Alpine White. Carbon ceramic, Silverstone M4. Wheels on it. I feel like this is gonna be another gas station takeover, guys. Watch, just wait, give it a few more minutes and then all this is gonna be flooded with BMWs. Sheesh.
Man, that's
Rich? Pulling up in the McLaren to a BMW meet.
Oh, it's a BMW meet?
Yeah.
I should have my M3, bro.
It's all good. That's just so fire. Sick ass 570S. Carbon spoiler, carbon up there, carbon on the roof. Carbon everywhere, G.
Where should I park?
Huh?
Where should I park?
VIP, just park right here on the side. Best part is, check this out. The door is about to go up in this shit right now. Rich. Pop that door open, G. Oh my God. I think they just hit each other, guys. How? These fools look like they don't got insurance, bro. Or a license. They don't even know who to blame who. Nah, fool, you were driving. Nah, you were driving. That sucks. Bro, these kids are like 10 years old. How the hell are they driving? Sheesh. Big homie Nick. No lip though? Damn. Rich. Clean F80. I think he just washed it too. That's why it looks really clean. What's up, G? Your car looks clean, bro.
I watched it right now.
You washed it for me?
Yeah.
Looks good.
Finally, it's clean.
Can you wash something else?
Yeah.
That shit's nice. Yeah, bro, it looks clean.
I went to a car wash. It's spray wash.
And then you drove off?
Drove off that.
You didn't even dry it?
No.
I mean, you didn't get no towels, nothing? Bro, that looks good.
Pretty good, huh?
Yeah. All right, guys, we have made it to the meet. There's already a lot of cars pulling in. We got all the homies parked up, all the Beamers. Whole squad is out here. Damn, I want to do the Amber so bad, guys. Looks so sick. What's up, bro? How are you? M3 CS. But you see the yellow DRLs, and then he has the amber ones. I think the amber ones will look so sick on the GTS. You can see the 340s are starting to roll in, the B58s. Look at that, we got the whole squad of B58s out here. We got a G80. I think that's the 50th anniversary one, or whatever it is. But damn, it's just starting to get a little bit more packed. Damn, lights on the drop top. Sheesh. We have this frozen blue G80. That's pretty clean. Portimao blue, frozen blue with the orange interior. Bucket seats as well. Hella nice. We got the 340s. We got the 4 Series. They're on wheels too. YTEs. Sheesh. We got the F80. Silverstone. That's pretty clean. We got the M4 on TEs with the lab tour lip and on welds. It's crazy. We got a G80. Ooh, look at the taillights. The OLED style, but clear. That is pretty clean, huh?
Looks
Sick.
good on this color.
Yeah. We got more BMWs. The homie Eric. More BMWs. I feel like there's still a lot of cars needing to pull up, but as you can see, got some other cars here too. Got the 4 Series on welds as well. Damn, these ones are no joke. The 5 Series, pretty clean. Got a G80 right here. It's pretty sick. More BMWs. A lot of 340s out. The 340 community is pretty strong, huh? They're all literally all 340s. Over here too, look, they're all 340s. 335s or 340s. More BMWs. Got the carbon hood. What? Fresh kicks? Sheesh. The homie Nick. What's up, G? That's clean. Probably one of the cleanest G80s out there. Look at that hood too. That shit hella aggressive. Shit's fire. What? The homies are bouncing? You're leaving?
We're gonna go to midnight.
G80. Eiselman green with the yellow DRLs. X6M, you do not see X6Ms. It's pretty sick though. F80. Secure orange. 340, 335. A lot of BMWs today, guys.
Alright guys, so we took over Kevin's what happened?
What's up, G?
What's up?
Oh my!
Bro, this
God.
big old car?
She's about to hit us.
Oh shit. This is a clean F80 right here. Forget the name of the color. I think it's Avis Blue Individual. That shit is pretty sick though. F80, carbon hood. That's pretty sick. What's up, bro? Good, how are you? What's up, bro? Huh?
Douglas. The one
Oh shit, yeah.
it's good to see you, bro.
Good to see you too. Haven't seen the homie in a long time. Sheesh, Mark? Is that you? Look guys, we're in the back watching
Betting that the consensus
let it tone down a little bit.
Hey, shut up, man. We're trying to watch.
Bro, you're ruining the fight.
For this title fight.
I'm gonna fight you.
Bro, we have a $5,000 bet on it, bro.
No way. Oh shit, bro.
Our own bet is home advantage, G.
Cover just shot that takedown there, and you saw him just kind of reach down and snatch it. He's just trying to get a feel for where the leg is
Bro, we're trying to watch, man.
I'm not talking.
at. Encouraging for you.
Yeah,
Not
but your
great,
camera's
but
right there, bro. Let us
You can't even
focus.
see it.
Let us focus, dude.
Get that take-
Bro, these B58 sound crazy. We got the Urus pulled up. Sheesh. This is what we need right here, guys. We need the lamb skis. In orange, though. In orange, it should be hard. Rich. The homie Felipe. 1,000 horsepower F10 M5. That's crazy.
We're leaving now.
One of the fastest F10 M5s out there, guys. 1,000 horsepower. Shit's crazy. He's on welds too. Look at that. That's crazy, bro. Alright, guys. I think everybody's starting to bounce, low key. But I don't think we're gonna go on the drive, guys. There's too many people to go on the drive with. Red headlights? Never seen that before. That's pretty cool. We got the drop top M4. Look at that. Damn, all over areas. I think the GTS might have a little baby cold start, maybe. Yup. How'd I know that? How did I know that? Sheesh. Yeah, guys, it's getting too crazy out here, bro. We gotta go. Damn, homie Alex, clean ass E92. Gotta love the sound of the V8. POV. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.